like off-shoulder moments, I think you should tie your hair up. Okay, I feel like the white cowboy boots only really looks good with white. This bag literally fits so much. I use it so often. This has been my go-to hairstyle, which is just putting two little long bows. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How are we doing? I heard you guys have been asking for a lookbook from me. I'm a little scared to try out new content, okay? I'm a little scared. Throwback, I did post a lookbook like a year ago, but at the moment when I posted it, not many of you guys really liked it. I feel like I was just like, well, maybe fashion's not for me. You know, it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Honestly, looking back at it, I was like, it was kind of boring. My fashion has changed a lot throughout the years. I think you guys noticed that too. So this is an updated lookbook. I wanted it to eat. Last time, it didn't eat. This time, it gotta fucking eat. It gotta eat. It gotta eat. I don't care. It has to eat. So hence, we are back with another fall lookbook. 10 outfits from May. So you guys are always like, where's the stuff from? I got you. I got you. I got you. After me showing you this one fit, I'll talk about the fit, giving you guys some advice because I know you guys want that. I want to serve you guys on a silver platter. Enough chit-chatting, Via. People want to start the video. I'll see you guys later, okay? Bye! Am I gonna talk through all these videos? Okay, maybe I will. Okay, so this first outfit, I would call this the jazz bar outfit. I literally made this outfit the day that I was going to my first New York jazz bar. I just realized I just feel like black maxi skirts are just perfect for jazz bars. And this maxi skirt, I got it in Japan. I just really like flowy maxi skirts. This one's kind of like cinched, gives like a mermaid tail at the end. And also, I feel like any sort of like long sleeve off shoulder moment is really, really flattering. Sometimes you don't really need a necklace. So honestly, I could take this necklace off and this look will still look really good. With like off shoulder moments, I think you should tie your hair up. You should get hair accessories that matches your hair color. So for me, I have like this black leather texture scrunchie, and I just feel like it looks really good with my black hair. And some of these are just my staple jewelry. These are kind of just a jewelry that I always wear. And you guys are wondering, this one's from Tiffany. This one is from Swarovski. Am I pronouncing it right? This one's also from Tiffany. This one's also from Swarovski. These pearl earrings that I wear are also from Swarovski. And these little hoops one, they're kind of just like huggies. Those are from Etsy. This one is from Shanghai. For those of you who see my Shanghai vlog, you saw where I got this. I forgot the store name. These two right here are from Third Tones. When I'm like feeling a bit more classy, I just kind of wear like tiny bags. Like, yeah, she can't really fit anything in here, but she's still very, very cute. I personally just like wearing like a black slip-on kitten heel. Those, I'm sorry, don't have a brand name because those are my mom. She got it in Taiwan, but I'm sure you can find very similar ones anywhere. So this is outfit number 1. She's a bit more classy, but she's also kind of casual too. It's not doing too much. So that's a wrap on the first outfit. Let's move on to the second outfit now. Okay, for outfit number 2, I would think this is more girly, and I think this is definitely where the layering comes in. Personally, for me, I really dislike v-necks, like this dress, but to fix that, you can just wear a tank top. I think I got this tank top on Depop, and I just like wearing it because it's like a square neckline. If I pair it with like this v-neck, it evens out. This little bow one, this one's from Nebula 7. This one right here is from Third Tones. The bag that I was wearing, sorry, that one does not have a brand. I got it in Japan. It was in a Harajuku store. I think this outfit right here is definitely more flowy. I like when the colors are kind of the same, like white boots, white leg warmers, white bag. And I think it also depends on like, you need to find colors that suit you. And it took me a lot of time to experiment, and I feel like this color really suits me. I would honestly just wear this whenever I feel like it. I get compliments sometimes when I wear this outfit. Okay, I feel like the white cowboy boots only really looks good with white. So anyways, that was for outfit number 2, and let's move on to outfit number 3. Okay, this is outfit number 3. This one's all freaking white. And I recently just found out that if you want to shorten your mid face, you wear accessory glasses. I'm sorry they're so reflective, but like shut up. This is literally silver frame. Just like matches like all my silver jewelry. It's so freaking cute. You just need to find pieces that are layerable. Without this top is just like this. Like it's cute, but it's kind of boring. But with this, I literally thrifted this the other day at Canal Street Market. And this one shop in there called 3 Days a Week. And I think they just collect like vintage pieces. I didn't expect to find anything, but this is literally so cute. Do you see this like sparkly moment? Honestly, this piece is so fragile. Like I need to be so careful with it. I've been wearing this bag very often. This is a Sama Ondo utility bag. And this bag literally fits so much. I use this so often because there's so many different pockets. I bought this little vintage watch. For those who see my vlogs know exactly what I'm talking about. The brand of this is Anne Klein. I look so freaking cute. I look so cute. That is a wrap on outfit 3. Let's move on to outfit 4. Here, so this dress here, I thrifted it in Japan, and honestly, my luck with the thrifting scene in Japan this time that I went, it wasn't so good. So this one was a rare find, I would say. It was in a Shimokitazawa, and the shop that I went to, there wasn't many pieces I would liked except for this one piece. I personally do not like tops. This part goes inward. I like it when it goes straight up. It's like when you layer it, it comes out okay. I just really like the texture on the bottom of this dress. There's literally a silk texture, and then there's a top layer on top of it. This dress is a little short. I probably would not wear this dress out by itself. I'll probably pair it with pants over. Sometimes like wide-legged pants, they're just saggy. This pair of wide-legged pants, it fits close to your butt. When you put this dress down, it's like you can see this jeans is so close up to me. If this jeans was saggy all the way down here, that would look a little weird. Like it will still work when you have like very short dress moment. You pair it with a pair of pants. At least for me, I just feel a lot more comfortable. I feel a lot more safe. I even make it more casual by putting on these glasses. I love these glasses. They make me look so freaking cute. I do think that pairing it with like a more intricate jewelry kind of just levels up the outfit a bit more, which is why jewelry really matters. I personally like to pair jeans with like a more thigh-high dress. That's it for outfit number 4, and let's move on to outfit number 5. This is outfit number 5. I would definitely say that this outfit right here is definitely for more of like the winter, more when it gets colder, because this is literally a turtleneck, and honestly I'm pretty hot right now. But this piece right here, I really like this piece. I don't know if you can see, it's like very glistening, and I saw the employee wearing it. That's when I started wearing dress over jeans, because I was like, wait, she looks so freaking good. Like what the heck? This was the exact combo she was wearing. I like how here it's like very puffy. When things are just so dark, you need a little bedazzle or any sort of pendant. This has been my go-to hairstyle, which is just putting 2 little long bows. I just like when things blend into my hair, and you have to take like a closer look to really see if there's anything in my hair. I thrifted her in Shimokitazawa. I got her in Taiwan. It was like in like a mall, and this pair I really like. I never seen Mary Jane's like this. You can probably find a design similar to this, but I'm specifically talking about the strap. You just have to adjust the strap. You see this part? You just hook her on, and that's basically it. It just doesn't fall off. I literally think all the girlies need a pair of like these cherry red shoes for autumn, because it's literally so cute. And there's just something about having like a chain bag, just very classy. This combo right here that I'm wearing, you can dress it up and down. Like these outfits that I'm showing you, the point of it is not for you guys to be like, oh my god, I need the exact outfit. If you want to do that, go ahead. But I also just want to say like, oh, that's how she layers. She layers a square neck with a V-neck. Maybe I have that in my closet, because I want you guys to be able to make these outfits with what you have in your closet as well. Like if you want to go shopping, go do that. You do you. Like I want you guys to like get the formula instead of like, I need to do exactly like her. When you do exactly like me, it's fine, but I hope you guys also get why it works, why I like this outfit, and why I think other people might like it too. This is how I pair my outfits. This is outfit number 5, and next let's move on to outfit number 6. This is outfit number 6. I would consider this more of a basic outfit. I saw a lot of girls wearing this in Tokyo. I remember it was like the combination of black leather jacket, knee-high platform boots with the short mini skirt. And honestly, the reason why it's popular is because of fucking eats, okay? I'm just wearing this bodycon shirt with little mini skirt moment. I'm mainly just wearing like black, gray, and white. This is another Sama Ondo bag. And I just love like their little freaking plushies. I feel like having like a little white plushie on a black bag just complements really well. These days I really like pairing like warmers with knee-high boots. I might even switch them into hoop earrings just to really go with the look. That's a wrap on outfit 6, and next let's move on to outfit freaking 7. I apologize about the change in lighting because the sun is setting. I think it's like 4:30 right now. But anyways, the camera died halfway, so I had to charge it for a little bit. So this outfit right here is my definition of big on big, because you know like that clothing theory where it's like, oh, if you're wearing like a big top, you have to wear a small bottom. That's a pretty cool like theory, especially for like people who don't really know how to pair clothes. I also think that we should bring back big on big, as in like big top, big bottom. I'll be honest, like I don't really wear this white maxi dress a lot, but like when I do wear it, I get why people have it. It's easy to pair. This is layered, and honestly looking at this, you can't even tell it's 2 layers apart, which is crazy. This top right here is literally just like a super flowy. If you have something very flowy or like a sweater, you can literally wear on top of a maxi dress. I think this might be the most casual outfit. I don't know. I just want to point it out there if it's not already obvious enough. A lot of these outfits, you can just swap in pants. Depending on the type of jeans you swap in, it'll change up the entire freaking vibe. This is outfit number 7, and let's move on to outfit number 8. I turned on my room lights because it was getting a little dim and I didn't want you guys to be like, the lighting is so bad. I don't know if turning on the lights up there made it better or worse, but anyways, this outfit actually I've never worn out because this jacket just came in yesterday. I want to show you guys some of the combos that I would definitely be wearing in the fall. The color over some sort of sweater. You can pair this with a blazer. I think it's more like a coat. The button down top with a big jacket just looks so freaking good, and pairing with like a mini skirt is just so freaking cute. And you can wear boots. I was wearing those kitten heels. I just think they look cute. This thing is great because you can also tie like this. It gives off a different vibe. This one is definitely an example of a big top and small bottom. You can wear jeans under this. Like, oh my god. If you wear this and you wear like a skinny bootcut jeans, those will look so freaking good too. I don't have any skinny bootcut jeans anymore. I really think that every single girl should get one of these like light blue color shirts. They're so easy to like pair. And having them just like a little black simple bag and just tying your hair up like this gives off academia smart. So that's it for outfit 8. Let's move on to outfit 9. So that was outfit 9. Also, I'm filming this on another day because literally you guys are standing on a windowsill right now, and I hope the air is not fucking with the audio. If you're like me, you don't really know how to do hairstyles, put on like 3 silver pins. I guess I'm just not a fan of crop tops, so I really like it when it extends past my belly button. I would honestly pair this with a trench coat. That's it for outfit 9. Let's move on to the last outfit, which is going to be outfit 10. I wanted the last outfit to be a little bit more casual. I do think with that trench coat, it would look best if the clothing inside was a bit more loose. Let me show you guys. Yes, it's oversized, but it's pretty fitted, I would say. So with something more fitted, I would go with something a bit more looser underneath. I'm a sucker for these shoes. Any sort of glossy, pointed shoe. Honestly, if some of you guys are like, yo, what is like the things that I should like invest my money in? I personally think that you should invest in a good quality trench coat. A good quality coat. Usually, I would say like when you pay more, the quality is better. I think coats and shoes, those are the ones I like to invest in. I know some people really like to invest a lot of money into bags, and I can see why, because you can continuously wear the same bag over and over. Maybe I'm just not the biggest fan of bags. If I have a cute bag, I have a cute bag. I guess you should invest. Maybe I should invest in a good one. I mean, I don't know. Like if I were to choose one for the fall, like what I would spend my money on, it'll be coats, because it's cold. And usually when you go out, all people see is your fucking coat, which I know kind of sucks. Second of all, shoes, okay? Because you're gonna be walking in the snow, you're gonna be walking around the city, you're gonna be walking everywhere. It depends on the fucking shoe, because some of them, the quality is really good, even though it's secondhand. Get timeless pieces, guys. The older I get, the more I understand what does timeless mean. Usually I would say, yeah, it looks more basic, it looks more simple, but that's why it's timeless. These two I would consider timeless. I would consider this timeless. I would consider a bag like this timeless. They're all very, very simple. Even if you don't get timeless designs, you have to just ask yourself, would I wear this? And again, it takes time to build your own style. Shapes, color, textures, those are all really important. Oh my, I need to put my shoe down. Why am I holding on the fucking shoe? That was my last fit. Oof. Okay. What do we think? Was it good? Did it serve? Did it eat? I'm not gonna lie, guys. I don't know if you noticed, but like when I was filming this, like at the very beginning, can you tell I was a little nervous at the beginning? I was a little nervous, I'm not gonna lie. At the end, I really do apologize. The last two fits, I had my windows open because it was getting really hot in here, because I didn't want to turn on the AC, because if I turn on the AC, you can't fucking hear me. I had subtitles, it'll be fine. I really hope that you guys found this video helpful. I can make more lookbooks if you guys want. I mainly just wanted to give you guys like formulas of how to make outfit combos. I wanted you guys to be able to make these outfits with what you have in your closet. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will let some feedback. Let me know what you guys think. I really try my best for y'all, okay? I hope you guys are having a lovely day, and I hope you guys are doing amazing. I'll see you guys all next week, okay? I love you guys. Bye bye.